So this is our fuel injector tester cleaner machine. And what it does is it simulates what the injectors are going through when they're on the vehicle. You can adjust different pressures and RPMs and different loads. It'll also tell you if there's something wrong with the injector, like if it's leaking, or if the flow rate is not correct, or if it's flowing less than the other injectors. When there is an issue with the injector, we've got our injector cleaner, which is essentially a ultrasonic cleaner, which will hopefully remove all of the impurities and blockages and corrosion or anything that's going on inside of the injector. Sometimes it's too far corroded, you just can't save it and you have to replace it. If there's a difference between the flow rate of the injectors on a vehicle, you can have serious issues in drivability or even worse, engine issues. So it's really important to clean your injectors often. And if you're running a corrosive fuel like E85, you need to do so more often than if you run traditional fuels. Visit our website for current prices.